Hello everyone, it's me Frances. Today is August 30, 2025, the last day of August. So, malapit na ang Pasko pero wala pa tayong pera. So, it's already 8 in the morning. So, it's Saturday. So, kagigising ko lang po. So, okay lang yan kasi Saturday naman wala tayong trabaho. So, let's give ourselves time to rest. Kailangan natin yan. This is actually my first talking vlog. If you watch my previous vlogs, Frances Me, so panoorin niyo po yung mga yun. They were all silent vlogs. So, bakit ko naisipan magsimula ng talking vlogs? So, honestly, one reason is I want to overcome my fear of talking in front of the camera. So, diba ang awkward kasi pakinggan kapag nasa harap, kapag napapakinggan mo yung boses mo na nagsasalita sa camera. But, I just want to overcome that one, na hindi na ako na-awkward. So, please don't judge me. So, medyo kinakabahan ako ngayon, pero I believe na the best way to conquer fear is to just do it. Diba? So, another reason is, gusto ko talagang i-share yung thoughts ko, yung experience ko, yung everyday or yung weekly stories ko. So, para na rin siyang diary for me na anytime, pwede ko siyang balik-balikan. Diba? So, kasi naniniwala ako that napakinggan ko sa isang homie that sabi ng pare, tomorrow is never promised. Kaya habang andito pa tayo, gusto kong ma-record or gusto kong ma-share ang mga moment na to ng buhay ko or mga sandali na to ng buhay ko. So, ayun, this is something new and very personal for me. Hopefully, samahan niyo ako sa journey na to. Sa habang nagkwentuhan tayo, let's do skincare routine, morning. So, kahit papaano naman, matanggal natin itong yung mga acne na nandito sa ating mukha. Diba? Nakaka-frustrate tignan. So, let's start with the brightening eye cream. So, marami tayong gagawin ngayong araw. Hopefully, matapos natin silang lahat. So, first, syempre, magbe-breakfast. Pagkatapos tayo dito, magbe-breakfast. And then, next one, we have serum ng COSRX. So, ganito po ako maglagay. So, by the way, hinugasan ko na pala ang kamay ko. Next one, face oil ng Andalou. Hindi ko alam kung tama ba yung pagkakapronounce ko. Andalou. So, by the way, yung higaan, papalitan natin yung bedsheet. So, maglalaba tayo ngayong araw. It's laba-laba day. It's laundry day. So, mag-subscribe kayo, guys, sa ating channel. And then, next, yung day cream din ng Andalou. Set na kasi siya. Meron din siyang night cream. So, for sensitive skin, baho lang ito. Super baho. course, hindi mawawala ang sunscreen. So, ang ginagamit ng sunscreen ng YOU. So, SPF 50, PA+++. Charot! Acne Care Sunscreen. So, Diyos ko, kapag papanoorin ko ito. Pero yan. It's okay. Okay, that's it. And of course, powder. Johnson baby powder. Siyempre, kahit maglalaba, dapat skincare. Pero film natin. So, linagay ko lang sa kamay ko yung powder. Ang dami. Yan. Hinahayaan ko na lang na ganyan. Okay, that's it. Let's go downstairs para kumain ng breakfast. By the way, meet Panpan! Panpan! Hello, Panpan! Uy! Hello! Am na? Tan? Let's go, Tan. So, yung bahay, ang dumi, ang daming kalat, tsaka na yan. Kain muna tayo, di ba? Yan. Kasi nga, super busy tayo, kaya hindi natin maayos-ayos. Let's go! Pan! Anong ulam? What is this? Uy! Kanikanan sa Ilocano. Sarap. That's our breakfast. So, ito yung ulam ni Panpan. Vegetables. Pan! Am! Good morning, Panpan! Good morning, Panpan! Oh, good morning! Ano ba yung good morning? Good morning! Good morning! Ano tayo good morning? Before the good morning! Good morning! Good morning, people! Good morning, people! Amen! Go na! breakfast. Habang nagbe-breakfast ako, nanonood lang ako.
Elevate. Okay? Ganda ng word, no? Elevating teaching and learning, and then a Filipino approach to learn.
So, habang nagbe-breakfast tayo, attend muna tayo ng seminar. So, habang nagtatrabaho na rin tayo, attend na rin tayo ng seminar. O, di ba? Multitasking tayo. May natututunan pa tayo. Tapos na po tayong mag-breakfast. So, habang naka-seminar ako, anyway, Zoom lang naman po yun. So, napapakinggan ko pa rin. So, habang nag-Zoom tayo, maglaban na lang tayo. Para marami tayong magawa ngayon. Diba?
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat. Pocket spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride. A manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you ever leave my head. What could I have done? Could I have said I'll never know? I'll never know. Oh, I'll never know. I'll never know. We were nothing alike, and I kinda like that. Came from different sides of the crosstown tracks. Guess it's true sometimes opposite.
Okay, so that's it for today. Maraming salamat sa panonood, pagkikinig sa mga kwento ko today. Life is short, kaya let's treasure it every moment. Kita-kits ulit sa next vlog. Bye! Be kind!